Cyclones, a type of severe storm system, can be broadly classified into two categories: tropical cyclones and extratropical cyclones. Each type has its own distinct characteristics and impacts. Tropical cyclones are the ones that form between the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn, excluding the 5-degree region near the equator. These cyclones typically occur over the seas and dissipate. When they reach land, they primarily form in warm tropical and subtropical ocean waters between 5 degrees and 30 degrees latitude. Tropical cyclones do not have a frontal system. Unlike their extratropical counterparts, their energy is derived from warm ocean water and the release of latent heat. During the condensation of rising air, they move from west to east and have different names depending on their location, such as cyclones in the Indian Ocean, hurricanes in the Atlantic, typhoons in the Western Pacific and South China Sea, and willy-willies in Western Australia. Tropical cyclones are known for their high wind velocities and destructive power. However, they generally last for no more than 7 days. On the other hand, extratropical cyclones are storm systems that form in mid and high latitudes, generally between 30 degrees and 60 degrees from the equator.
They can cover a larger area
And can originate on land or at sea. These cyclones, also known as temperate cyclones, middle latitude cyclones, frontal cyclones or wave cyclones, form along temperature and dew point gradients called frontal zones. They derive their energy from the difference in horizontal air mass temperatures on either side of a front. Like tropical cyclones, extratropical cyclones move from west to east. The most intense extratropical cyclone ever recorded globally was the Brea storm of 1993, which occurred over the northern Atlantic Ocean. Unlike tropical cyclones, extratropical cyclones do not cause significant damage and can last for 15 to 20 days. Both types of cyclones have different effects and impacts. The most severe effects of tropical cyclones occur when they cross coastlines and make landfall, causing destruction to ships and taking lives. The strong winds associated with cyclones can damage or destroy vehicles, buildings, bridges, trees, and other structures. Loose debris becomes dangerous projectiles under the influence of these strong winds. The Bay of Bengal, which accounts for a small fraction of the global ocean area, is responsible for the majority of cyclone-related deaths worldwide. Understanding the different types of cyclones and their characteristics is crucial for preparedness and mitigation efforts in vulnerable regions. By studying cyclone patterns and improving early warning systems, we can effectively minimize their destructive impact and protect lives and property.